Hi, my name is Taylor with TenantCloud, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to view and download your reports. To find a list of your reports, click the Reports tab from the left side menu. Here, you will see a list of all the reports that are offered. For example, the operating statement. This lists all paid income and expense invoices. The purpose of this report is to show and monitor cash flow coming in and out of your property. You can filter the information by date range and property. Once the filters are set, the results will automatically show below. You can now download the report and be exported as a PDF or an Excel document. And that's how easy it is to view and download your reports on TenantCloud.